We need to talk about what's happened to Ethereum in the last week. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you'll know that I've been following Ethereum for, well, actually a few years, particularly since we had the massive breakout. I did say 2 weeks ago now, you know, this is your last chance to buy Ethereum. And many people have been DMing me, asking me, have I missed the boat? Well, the good news is, guys, from a longer term perspective of the bull market, which is likely to still continue for at least 12 months, going by previous cycles, more about that later in the video, we're still in the cheap zone. If you look historically at the log curves of Ethereum, you can see that this red purple area is almost like Ethereum is on Black Friday sales. And we're just breaking out of that zone into what's known as the cheap zone. We're not even cheap yet. We're still just like in crazy fire sale mode. So don't worry, guys. You have not missed the boat. Ethereum has a huge runway for this cycle. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Anyway, guys, this is going to be a detailed analysis for Ethereum for today, for the rest of the week, for the rest of the month and year, in fact. So hit that like. And let's get into today's video. What I want to talk about first off is the crazy pump that Ethereum has been on for the best part of the last couple of weeks. And we've seen a 40% increase in the Ethereum price. Guys, I'm not going to take that call in this video. This is way too important. What I want to show you is this chart. This chart is the weekly chart for Ethereum. And we broke out of this sort of range that we were in since August. We got the big breakout and the next price target is still in action. The next price target actually takes us up to about $3,537. If you remember on the channel, I'll go to the video, I was talking about all-time high by Christmas. By the way, I still believe all-time high by Christmas. It was on this video here where Trump got in and I said the big rotation is in. That's when I opened the Ethereum long trade, and you can see that trade is now sitting nicely in profits, about 770,000 USDT. Not looking to take any major closes on that. I took a little bit off the table when we got to 3,000, just a psychological level, but we broke through that, still riding that trade open. And I'm going to talk to you now about the next levels, if you should be buying right now, if you should be selling, or you shouldn't be selling, but where you should be maybe looking to take profits on the lower time frame. By the way, for anyone wanting to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, guys, I've got all the links in the video description below. If you don't want to do KYC, for example, you might be in the States or the UK, no KYC on Blowfin. Blowfin's a really good crypto trading exchange. You can see I've got my trade open there. And guys, using that link, you'll get some free crypto. It is up to $30,000 bonus, but the more realistic bonus is you deposit at least 50 and you'll get $150 bonus. And of course, Bybit, great platform as well. You do need KYC on Bybit. If you're outside of the UK or the States, if you're not in the States or UK, do Bybit. It's the best crypto trading platform, but Blowfin is a very close second. Very secure, very good platform. So let's talk about what's likely to happen next. We've been pumping. Ethereum did reach 3,400, 3,450. And you may see a cool off, especially as Bitcoin got to $90,000, which, yes, it's not the major psychological level, which is 100K, which could even happen this week. Do expect some consolidation, some sell-off. So if you look at the lower time frame for Ethereum here, you can see that we're now potentially seeing the first day out of the last 7 or 8. Well, you may see a red candle, albeit it's not a bearish candle by any means. I do believe that this stays bullish, and I believe that we reach 3,550 and potentially even the next weekly and monthly level of 3,800. That would mean Bitcoin probably getting to the 100K figure, and then you would expect some cool off. The thing is, guys, people are going to FOMO in hard when Bitcoin reaches 100 and Ethereum reaches up to 4,000. That's not the buying opportunity, guys, unless it's a spot position and you're holding it open for the cycle, or it's a very low leverage trade. When we hit these major psychological levels, that's in fact when you want to be shorting the market. If you want to learn more about trading futures and capitalizing on the the volatility. I've got tutorials for 𝗕𝗏𝗕. I've got tutorial for Bybit, brand new 2025. And while I'm on the subject, do check out my price prediction with 𝗕𝗬𝗕𝗘 from Dubai's Creator Conference over the weekend. Very insightful price prediction of Ethereum. But before you watch that, let's wrap things up with this very important analysis on the Bitcoin dominance reaching a potential top. We've been talking about the rotation. We're seeing now some green candles. And if we go into the lower time frames on Ethereum, Bitcoin, we can now see that we've broken a new high. So we were just creating these lower lows, lower highs, and now we've created this higher high. So I think Ethereum Bitcoin is off to the races, and it can really rally. You can see the Ethereum spot ETF inflows. This is the big money coming into Ethereum. Huge inflows in Ethereum. And the liquidation heat map, you can see where the liquidity lies. This is where the next price targets are likely for Ethereum. So we have 3,570, and then the next heat map zone does take you up to that sort of 4K level. If we do it on a smaller time frame perspective for you traders trading like today, swing market trading, spot trading, this is where the liquidity lies. You've got some down at 3,250. So we might actually see a cool off if we go into the lower time frame, particularly if we bring in the moving averages here. You can see that, you know, we might come back down to 3,200 and then potentially even 2,900 if things keep consolidating downwards. But the general direction is up, guys. It's looking bullish. If you want to use AI to help you with your technical analysis, check out the link below for CoinGPT. It's a bot that me and my team developed. It can help traders. It's free. You can analyze any coin, any time frame. And don't forget, guys, to get your free crypto trading bonuses with 𝗕𝗏𝗕, no KYC, and Bybit in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Check out any one of these videos on screen, and don't forget to share this video in your Telegram communities, on Twitter, and anywhere else where you have an audience that may gain value from this video. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.